Okay, I've got another free book out for those of you guys who are interested. You can click the link in this email, but if you don't, if you're actually on Amazon right now, you can just type in cybersecurity job and you'll see this book right here. This is the book you want. Click this. This is actually a 3-in-1 book. So it includes this book, Cybersecurity Jobs, this book, Work from Home, and another book, book 2 of this series. Here it is right here. And right now, for a limited time, you'll be able to get this book for free on Kindle. Now, it's not free on hardcover or paperback, but for free on Kindle. And you just click this button and you'll have the book. Once you've bought the book, you can actually, if you don't mind, leave a comment, leave a review of the book. This actually helps me out quite a bit. Here's where you leave the review. On your phone, it's a little bit different. You'll scroll down a little bit and you'll see that you'll be able to get the book for free. And here's where you leave a comment. Thanks in advance for your amazing reviews. I appreciate you guys. I've got more free stuff coming real soon.